With the weather warming up, it's the perfect time to carry a nice camera bag. Today I'll introduce one stylish camera backpack and a lightweight rope string bag, all from PGYTECH. Hey guys, so with the weather getting warm and nice, I'm sure you want to take your camera out for photography. And in that case, you might want to invest in a very nice new camera backpack like what I have at the back. So I want to introduce OneGo 2 backpack. So the first thing that I love about this backpack is that the ergonomics, the backside is super comfortable. The ergonomic of OneGo 2 backpack is molded with multi-layer breathable back panel, and it has 4-point support for even weight distribution. And in the middle, there is pressure-free hollow design, so the ventilation is excellent. And together with the thick, wide shoulder strap, it's all cushioned as well, rather thick as you can see. It's very thick. So this shoulder strap and the ergonomic at the backside on the backpack, it sits comfortably on my body as if it's always been part of my body. It's actually really comfortable. It sits so well on my waist side and backside and the shoulder part, so it's perfect. But for some reason, if you guys want even further support, of course, there is a solution. There is a chest strap, because this backpack, OneGo 2 backpack, mine one, can carry up to 20 liters. However, there's also 25-liter options. So if you guys want to carry a lot of your expensive gears, then there are 20 liters and 25 liters for you. So for chest strap, just need to take this string and pull it out, and then use the string, of course, and just slide it in, and then strap yourself, and I'm ready to go. And always my favorite part about PGYTECH camera backpack is that you can, of course, open it 180 degrees. Okay, 180 degrees. This is the default setting. All the dividers are adjustable. The backpack is, of course, very spacious. You can fill it up with many lenses and cameras, sunglasses, drones, etc. All these cushiony dividers are adjustable. They all have the Velcro at the sides. Top compartment is also very spacious with all the adjustable dividers. You can access the top compartment from the back, but you can also access the top compartment from the outside with a secure magnetic flap on top. Inside the top compartment, there is a mesh pocket as well, so you can put in any little accessories there. Since it has 2 lines of Velcro at the back, you can completely take it off and stick it in any other places inside the bag. Oh my god, this place is gorgeous. So I want to get my camera out as soon as possible. And of course I can, because there is an easy access to my camera here at the side. And this camera wrist is really handy, also from PGYTECH. I can just keep it on and take it off and put the camera away safely into the easy access anti-theft zip. And for the PGYTECH camera strap, I can just put it away. There is a little magnet like a wristband. The side easy access pocket, there is another zip compartment. So inside you can put in any batteries, and there is an indicator to show you whether the battery is full or not by the color of red and green. So you may have noticed this camera clip, which is also from PGYTECH, and it can definitely go on this backpack. And slide back in, lock, and yeah. And now this camera is safely on my backpack, and I can just quickly unclip. And so this is even quicker access, because you can get a little camera clip for your backpack, and there is a designated slot on the backpack for this camera beetle clip. So this is very secure and safe. But if you guys are done with all your equipment and so on, then there is another quick access here. Just push it up and open it up. And I'm gonna pack away all my gears here. And just, that's it. Then everything is back into my backpack and I can continue my journey. And for those of you who need to carry your laptop or iPad, then there is a designated compartment here. So I did carry my laptop here. So 16-inch laptop can definitely get into this 20-liter backpack. And also 14-inch iPad can go into this front compartment. So there are 1 and also 2 compartments, the laptop compartments at the back side. And there is a thick cushion for the backpack. So OneGo 2 backpack will definitely securely protect your laptop. So at the either side of the pockets, there are enough space for you to put in like umbrella, water bottle, or even a tripod. So here, there's a strap so I can put everything or maybe just one stick. And then there is a strap securely fastened. And also on this side as well, the same mechanism, there is a strap for you to strap in anything like umbrella, tripod, water bottle on this side. But actually for a tripod this size, quite long, you want to have it at the bottom. In that case, OneGo 2 bag comes with these 2 straps, which can go at the bottom. So these flat, thick base will protect all your gears. The strap very easy to install, and just place them here and tighten. In PGYTECH OneGo series, there is a brand new rope strap bag. It's great for outdoor and street photography. It looks gorgeous. I chose lilac color. It's so colorful and cheerful. But there are other color options such as mist, forest, and midnight. This ultra light bag, it only weighs 370 grams, and I can wear it on my shoulder, and the shoulder padding is very thick, so it's very comfortable, or as a crossbody bag, and I can change the configuration by taking off the shoulder strap and make it into a tote bag for underarm. This is super comfy. And I can use it for hand carry, and it's certainly very handy. And inside there are adjustable dividers. The space is very big. So here I have 1 mirrorless camera and 2 additional lenses, but of course you can add more stuff in this spacious bag. And what's more, there is an expandable capacity with a hidden zip at the bottom. So you can unzip it, expand it, the divider in the middle, it's Velcro, so you can put that aside and put in anything big, such as this mirrorless camera with a huge lens inside the bag. And what I particularly like about this bag, there is another zip compartment, so you can put in your wallets, anything important inside this pocket, and the size is also very spacious. And the fabric is splash resistant, so it gives shield under the rain, and I've tested it out. And on the outside, you can attach charm or keyrings. And with this bag, there is of course an AirTag slot, so you can keep your bag secure. So what a beautiful day together with OneGo 2 backpack. And OneGo 2 backpack, for me, out of all my backpack experiences, the ergonomic at the backside and also the shoulder strap, they're the most comfortable of all the camera backpacks out there that I have experienced. So if you guys are looking for a great professional camera backpack, then I do recommend you guys checking out OneGo 2 backpack with the link down below. And I'll come back with other interesting gadget gears. So see you!